Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to extend BIOS post time on DELL 6320 Detachable. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there is a video on our channel on how to enter BIOS on DELL 6320 Detachable, and when that's done, you can just go into pre-boot behavior, then go a bit down to extend BIOS post time, and you can set it to 0 seconds, 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and that means that when it's, for example, set to 5 seconds, after powering on your device, it will take 5 seconds to self-test, and then it will load the system. So it will just extend that turn on time and perform a power on self-test at that time. So you can set it, then remember to apply changes after setting that, then click on OK. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.